What's the time, babe?
Too early in the morning. It's like 1:30, I think.
Guys, so we were asleep, but then we got woken up by a massive rain and thunderstorm. But guess what? We're moving tomorrow, so
yay!
The videos are coming back. Whoop, 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 whoop.
And we'll take you to good spots. We've seen in the comments, we've been reading, and we're taking it all on board. So
this is the beginning of a new video. Let's go! The night. Crazy, guys. This is the bridge going over Lisbon. We're going to Lisbon. Boop, boop.
It's always making me...
Oh my god. Get quick, get 2 euros.
246.
Probably can't even pay by card, can you? Have you got to, yeah?
Yeah, I think so.
Hola. Oh, it's 4.
Oh, sugar.
You have to pay with that 20.
That's what I've got. Sorry.
Oh, my change back. I've done open the gate. I think I'm going to drive off.
Crazy!
She hated me.
She did.
I'm sorry for the 20 euros.
£4 across bridge, guys. And these people around here cannot drive at all.
Right.
Guys, we're in Lisbon. Babe, explain the situation that we're in. Not the situation, just the area.
There is a lot of big
Speaking
houses.
to a microphone.
Yeah, there's a lot of wealthy houses around.
It's because it's like the embassy area. So we just walked past the embassy of Kuwait.
And every house that we've walked past is a big dog.
Yeah.
Which is obviously guarding them. Because I definitely won't go in them.
It's
Not
just
that I
that,
would,
yeah,
but...
it's just a weird area. I've never seen it. Like I've never seen an embassy, but to see an embassy of nearly every country in one area, it's different. It's interesting. Wrong or right, babe?
Very right, babe.
It is interesting. But guys, well, that's where we're going. So we're going down there. Yeah, we'll see you in a minute. Good, Daisy, go. Good, Daisy, goes. Right, so there's a lot of things to do in Lisbon, especially to take selfies of yourself in the mirror. But yeah, we've just seen the castle, which we'll probably go in tomorrow, but we can't go in there with the dog. So, minus the dog tomorrow.
Make sure that she has a nice...
Oh, babe, there's a twin. Minus the dog tomorrow, we'll get yeah, but now we're going to go to, there's like a Thai garden, like just full of like little Thai places.
They said that you can go around the castle and it would only take like 45 minutes. So.
Is that what it said?
Yeah.
45 minutes, go around the castle, we'll do it tomorrow. So
Get back to the dog.
Yeah, we're going to go to a Thai garden. And there's also a area. Should we go to the market?
Let's go to the market.
Let's go to the market.
I love a market.
Yeah, this is Lisbon, guys. Busy because I think it's the main city of Portugal, isn't it, Lisbon?
Yeah.
So we're going to get some food as well. We're going to go and check this market out. I guess we'll see you in the market or at the Thai garden. that weed? Huh? Who's smoking it? Huh? Stickers? Oh, it stopped. Just as I was about to start filming. How's it going? It's not as good as it just happened then. There you go, look. Isn't it a pretty waterfall, babe? Ah. Guys, we're trying to find this Thai garden. I know we come to Lisbon to a Portugal place, but we're trying to find a Thai garden. Daisy's made a new friend. Wish Daisy. The size of this building goes on and down and down and down and down and down. Crazy.
So many of them.
Huh?
So many of them.
Can we get some food, Beba? Into that Thai garden. Let's go find this Thai garden, peeps.
I reckon there's some
Huh?
some really nice Thai food there. I can just sense
It's
it.
probably just a temple.
Yeah, but there'll be places that you can eat on the outside. You've got to eat. You're gonna kick my dog?
I'll kick her head.
Babe, this is what I'm talking about. We're on YouTube now. You have to be politically correct.
Okay.
I'm saying it.
Politically correct. That bin's on fire. Now what do I do? Do I put it out or just leave it? Bin smoking, guys. Huh? It's muddy. There's all sorts of transport here. You've got horse and carriage. Horse. You've got a tuk-tuk. I don't know how much tuk-tuks are. We might get a tuk-tuk. But it's in the centre. You've got a little old tram. Look at this little old tram. That's a pretty cool tram, isn't it? Crazy. So guys, I thought this Thai garden was like a massive Thai garden. It was all some fancy Thai food and everything. It's probably a nice spot to see because it's different, but we just walked 20 minutes to see a shelter. 2 seconds. That's what we just walked 20 minutes for, but it's not bad. It's nice to see it. It's very pretty. I just guess we're getting a feeling of what Thailand will look like, right, babe? Mm-hmm. But I'm hungry, so let's go and find some food.
I want to see a gingerbread hungry.
We just don't know where to go. There's all sorts going on. I guess we're on the edge of the town now because the busyness is kind of slowing down.
But the McDonald's is bougie.
Oh yeah, I'll show you this McDonald's.
We're not going McDonald's though.
Yeah, we're not going
I don't want people thinking, oh my goodness, she's going to Portugal to go to McDonald's. That's not what we're doing.
Yeah, Kev. he moaned at us because we went to Burger King. He's like, what are you doing in Burger King? I was like, either that or McDonald's. But he did say Burger King's better. Which, guys, comment in the better, which one's better? Burger King or McDonald's?
I think it's an opinion that doesn't honestly really matter.
I don't know, because Burger King's more money. It's a lot more money.
Is it?
Yeah, it's like 20, we paid £22 for like
Oh,
a
you're
burger.
saying that it's more expensive.
Yeah, it's like £11 for a meal. But
Look,
this isn't the content we're putting out of Burger King or McDonald's.
Put in the comments as well where you think that we should go.
What, Burger King or McDonald's?
Oh, where we should go in Lisbon.
Alright. Guys, I'm hoping the audio sounds good on here. I haven't really checked it, so we've probably done a whole day of filming and not got any audio. Be pretty peed off, wouldn't we, babe?
A little bit.
A little bit.
But it's all trial and error. We're still learning.
But guys,
Oh, Daisy.
we're not like we haven't got the funds to do everything. And they're like other YouTubers. They're going skiing, they're going skydiving, they're going scuba diving. They're doing it all. But I guess we're
balling on a budget.
yeah, we're YouTube on a budget. I guess until
Which I guess is good for you guys, because we know that for the people watching us, like, you're in the same position as us.
we're just not
trying
trying
to
to
survive,
be someone
you know?
different. We're just trying to be us.
Showing you pretty places that are free.
Yeah, it'd be nice to go in these palaces, but we have a child with 4 legs and fur. It stops us doing things. Stupid dog. But
It doesn't stop them.
we'll probably go into that castle tomorrow, minus a dog. We'll take it for a long walk in the morning and then go to the castle. That is the plan. But we're going back to the little foodie place, so we're going to get some food. I don't know what we're doing after that. We'll make a plan. Maybe go into the old town.
Something on there.
See if we can see what we can see and see what we can do in the old town.
Even if it's just sightseeing.
But yeah, we come to Lisbon because it was on the way back home, so we're kind of just going up. It didn't take a massive chunk off the trip. It only took literally like 2 hours off the trip.
Well, I
Which-
was thinking about it yesterday.
When we get to Roscoff, you reckon? Oh yeah, because we're in the same time zone as England. But yeah, we're making our way up. 22 hours away from Roscoff now, so we'll probably just like make a slow drive up. Take like a month to get to Roscoff, see some things. I want to go to St Michael's Mount. I've always seen it and I want to go in it, and I'm going in it. So yeah, peace. Guys, look at this, all this seafood.
Garlic.
Prawns, garlic prawns, you got meat, you got
I
little...
think I'm already sold. I'm going to keep looking through, but I've already been sold on the garlic prawns. And too predictable. My dad would be like, predictable.
Right, this picture's quite good because the background now is blurry and it's just focused on your face. I didn't know it did this. Guys, look at this food, look at that. Oh. How much is that?
42 euros.
42 euros, I'd eat all that. Yum, yum, yum.
And this is my entire Daisy. Not like I'm out like that.
Yeah, been out for like all morning, she's still got energy. Oh. It's been fun, Lisbon. Guys, our problem is that we don't stay in one place for long. But I don't think Lisbon, there's not... Yeah, it's a big place, but it's not like all the, like, you know, the beach resorts and stuff. You can just walk into town and just have a nice beer by the beach for stuff. That's what we want again. But yeah, push. We're nearly back to the van now. Just got to walk up this monstrosity of a hill, and then yeah, we'll be back at the van. Whoop whoop. We're back, guys.
Where are you fucking parking?
Language, babe. Guys, we just did a boo-boo. We've been away all day, right?
Gary doesn't shut the window.
And we left the window open. Question is, huh?
You're gonna have to bleep that.
Bleep what? You swearing?
Sorry, man.
Say sorry. Does it look like we've been burgled? I've not been in there yet, so you got the keys.
No, you